Hi guys, it's Chelsea back here again with another YouTube video. So this video is going to be a little bit different today, so I'm not going to do a tutorial, I'm just going to focus on my new current favourite beauty products. So it's going to be a bit of everything from makeup to hair to body. So if you want to see what my current beauty products are, like my favourite ones, then please keep on watching. So my first favourite product is Bondi Sands Ultra Dark. I love fake tan. Especially coming up to winter, the sun's going, you can't sunbathe as much. I don't really want to go on a sunbed, so the easiest way for me to look brown is by using this amazing product. This is one of my favourite fake tan products ever because I love how it goes on. It's so easy to apply, it doesn't go patchy, because the worst thing with a tan is if it looks scaly and patchy because it doesn't look natural, and I feel like this is probably one of the most naturalist looking tans out there. The scent is actually really nice as well. It's a coconut scent. It hasn't got that really biscuity, like just that horrible tan smell that you can get. And also I find this doesn't stain my bed sheets. I mean, my bed sheets are grey, so I mean obviously if you had white bed sheets it probably would, but I mean compared to other tans that I've used in the past, this doesn't stain as much. So yeah, I 100% recommend this product. I mean, I've got it ultra dark, so that is quite dark, but this has faded and I've probably had this on for about a week now and I feel like it still looks quite natural. But yeah, when I first do it, I'm really dark. But like as you can see, it doesn't really look streaky or anything. It doesn't look scaly, it doesn't look patchy. And that's why I love it. Yeah, I can't be bothered, you know, to keep, you know, moisturising every day and, you know, the upkeep. I just think this product kind of just makes it easy for you. So yeah, that's why this one is my first favourite product. This is the Moroccan oil. If you know me, you know I've been multiple different colours this past year. I've gone grey, I've gone like really platinum blonde, and now I'm kind of like, I'm still like a white blonde, but I'm not as extreme as what I usually am. And I've completely cut my hair off as well. It was quite long, but it started going straggling, you know, it's like thick at the top and then it's all like long but it's thin at the bottom. So I just completely cut it off, and I literally love this product. It's one of my favourite hair products out there. It's called Moroccan Oil. I got this at a hair salon when I went and got my hair done. But it just upkeeps your hair, especially if you've got bleached hair. You'll find your hair is quite dry, it's quite sparse, you know. I molt so much, like it's ridiculous, and obviously hair breakage is a thing with bleached hair. So I find this keeps my hair looking shiny, looking healthy, and I literally put this on when I've washed my hair and it's like towel dried, or you can put it on dry hair if you want as well to give it a little bit of extra boost with the shine, but I like to use mine wet and then I put it on before I blow dry it, and I just find it kind of locks it in the hair a little bit better, as obviously when you dye your hair, you know, you do it when your hair's wet, and I feel like if you put product in when your hair's wet and then you dry it, it just locks the moisture in. So yeah, 100% recommend this. So good for you girls out there, girls and boys that, you know, dye their hair. So yeah, this is one of my favourite hair products. Another one of my favourite hair products is the Ouai Hair Care. This is the wave spray. Sorry, I don't know if you can see it. It's in focus. I don't know, but it's basically the wave spray. I love this. You know, when you don't want to straighten your hair and you want to keep your hair natural, but you want it to look beachy. You want those beachy waves. You don't look like you just run out of bed. This is amazing, this stuff. I literally spray it in my hair, and I've got my natural hair, and I just put a bit back comb in, spray this in, and it gives me that really nice beachy waves. I can't remember how much it was. I mean, the Ouai is obviously more on the high end hair care range, but it does last you such a long time. You do not need a lot. I'd probably say like 3 sprays will do you fine. It's kind of got like a sticky, it's quite hard to describe it. It's got a sticky tacky texture, which is a weird way to describe it, I know. But it's really good at kind of grasping the hair, and it like just keeps the volume. Obviously if it just slipped, it just gives you that texture to your hair, so obviously that keeps you having the volume. That is why I love this product. So now we're going to go on to skincare. If you know me, I'm not really into skincare, just purely because I'm lazy with skincare, which is quite bad because I'm into makeup. I do makeup as a job, which is quite bad. You know, skin is everything when it comes to makeup, so I should be a lot better. But I love this product. This is the Magic Night Cream from Charlotte Tilbury. It is amazing, especially if you're a lazy kind of skincare girl like me. If you pop this on every night, you will wake up to the best skin of your life. No joke. It is amazing and it lasts you such a long time. It is crazy. I've had this probably for about up to a year. No, it's like, no, maybe not a year. So like 8 months. Look, I have barely scraped the top. That is how rich this cream is. You do not need a lot. Her Magic Day cream as well is absolutely amazing. I love it. But at the moment, I'm loving this because I'm lazy and this is good. Just put it on before you go to bed. You'll wake up and your skin is so hydrated. Yeah, and you can't go wrong. The only thing is, it's a bit pricey. It's £100, but if it's gonna last you a long time, you don't mind spending that, do you? So, but I love it. It is amazing. 100% recommend. I'm on a Charlotte Tilbury hype, I know, but this product, there we go. Sorry, I know it's tilted. But this is the Goddess Skin Clay Mask from Charlotte Tilbury. It is a Spanish clay mask, but trust me, it is amazing. Do this a couple times a week. You've got dry? If you've got dry, oily, sensitive, you know, skin, put this on for like 5 minutes. If that, you will notice a difference. Your skin will be brighter, it will be smoother, the redness will be completely gone, and I'm a sensitive girl on my skin, so redness is a big problem. But this completely like extracts dirt from your skin, product build up. Your skin literally feels so soft. It's like baby soft skin. I love it. So now I'm going to go on to my favourite complexion products. So at the moment, my favourite complexion product is the Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury, and also the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. I am in shade Caramel Beige, but I love this combination together. Really, really love it. I am a full coverage girl. I love flawless skin. I love it. More coverage the better, personally. Some people moan at me because they're like, you've got really good skin, why do you want to give it so much coverage? But I just love looking flawless. I love that flawless, poreless look. I really, really do. And I feel like if I haven't got much eye makeup on and I've got my foundation on, I feel like I'm made up. So yeah, that's why I love it. But at the same time, I like glowy skin. So this on its own is quite matte, and I don't really like matte skin. I like that highlighted, dewy look. So I like to use the Hollywood Flawless Filter in shade medium 4, and I mix these two together, wet my beauty blender, make a little mixture on my hand, dab it in, pop it all over my face, and I love it. I love the combination. They work really well together. Thing is, with formulas, you've got to be very careful, because with some brands and some products from different brands, they can cause the formula to separate, and then obviously it can cause some kind of mess on your face. But I find these go so well and they work so well for my skin. My next favourite product is my concealer, and you've seen this probably in my first video. This is the Revolution Conceal and Define, and I am in shade C8.5. Can you see that? You probably can't. Okay, C8.5. I literally love this product. It is amazing. I have used it a couple of times now. I really like the finish it gives. I look really nice and highlighted underneath my eyes, and I've got quite dark circles. It gives me a really nice coverage, but doesn't look heavy, doesn't look cakey, doesn't look dry. It is an amazing formula, and it is so cheap. I can't remember the exact price, but it's drugstore, so you can't really go wrong with it. And the reason I got into it is because I had so many YouTubers, beauty gurus review it, and a lot of my friends have got it, and honestly, it is a really good concealer. So if you're looking for a concealer that's good, it's a bargain, go and grab it. You can get it from Superdrug, Boots, any kind of cosmetic store. So 100% recommend the Revolution Concealer. For a setting powder, my favourite is the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. I've noticed they've come out with a new one, which is like the Glow. I haven't tried that. I think it's a Sephora exclusive anyway, because I've seen a lot of YouTubers review that. I love this powder. This is one of the only powders that keeps my foundation on all day. I am combination, so I get very oily down my T-zone. If I do not set my T-zone, I look like an oily mess. Especially because I use like dewy products mixed in with my foundation. So I really need a good powder that's going to lock in. And I do long days at work, I'm on my feet all day. I don't have time to top up my makeup. I'm lazy, I can't be bothered, I just want to do my makeup in the morning and then I'm done. The last thing you want is to be blotting and whatnot throughout the day. So pop this on in the morning, powder brush, beauty blender, however you want to do it, and you're all set to go. We're going to move on to highlighter. I have loved this palette for the longest time. Since I have bought it, I have absolutely loved it. I mean, I've used this palette so much, but I still haven't hit pan, because I think I like mix all of the colours together, but it is really, really loved. I've got it on today. It gives me that really nice wet look, glossy look, and I like just to put it kind of down my T-zone as well, because you know me, I love dewy skin. But I literally love this. This is the Nicole Guerrero, sorry, I can't focus today. The Nicole Guerrero Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Yeah, it's the glow kit. I love their glow kits, they are so good, but I especially love this one. I just love the colour combination. You know, sometimes if you really want to look bronzy, you can go for the bronzy colours. If you want to be a bit more spontaneous and you want to go a bit wild, you can use this colour. This is the Forever Lit colour. I've got Kitty Cat on today, which is that one. It doesn't really look pink. So with this colour, I mean, you've got to look really up close and in person to see there's a bit of a pink iridescence kind of reflecting it. But yeah, it is really, really lovely and I absolutely love it. And I think with these palettes, they last you such a long time because you've got such a variety. You know, you're not just sticking to one highlighter, you've got a mixture, and I feel like it is really, really good. The formula is really good, doesn't look dry, and it's kind of that highlight that I like, that wet glossy look. So I haven't actually bought a new eyeshadow palette in such a long time, but I'm just going to show you a palette that I literally use pretty much every day. If I'm doing an eye look, I'll reach for this palette, and it is the Narcissist Loaded palette. I mean, the colour scheme isn't all bright or anything at all, but it's the neutrals. I love neutrals, I love oranges. Because I've got green eyes, I live for orange tone. I live for it. It is so good. It makes my green eyes pop and I just love it. I really like this gold colour as well, and they go so well with the oranges. You know, the gold on the base, the orange in the crease. You can obviously deepen it up with these kind of colours as well. I really like this colour combination. Perfect for autumn as well. You know, if you want to go really heavy on the eyes and a nude lip, I feel like you can't go wrong. But yeah, I just always reach for this palette at the moment. This is the mascara that I used in my first YouTube video. This was recommended, well, I was inspired by YouTubers. Yeah, I've heard so many reviews on it and it does this, and that's another reason why I love it. Because I'm weird and I like stuff that like does cool things. I love that sound. So good. Yeah, I mean, this is obviously I've got lashes on, but it is such a good mascara. You can probably see from my first video the difference it actually does make, and it's drugstore, so you can't really go wrong with that. But all the L'Oreal mascaras are pretty good, to be fair with you. There's a L'Oreal Paradise, I think, as well, but this is the newest one out. So I'm a lash girl and I love Tatti lashes. I got these in an MUA bundle. I think I've got like 20 pairs, so I've got loads at the moment. I do love these lashes. They are amazing. They're so easy to apply. A lot of celebrities use these, a lot of beauty gurus, and I love them. So these ones are the 3D Brazilian hair. I can't remember what number I've got on mine, but I've got Tatti lashes on now, and I think lashes make such a difference to your makeup. If you've got a simple eye look, work on a lash, you're full glam. You know what I mean? They're just so easy to use, and because of my job, I can't be asked with, you know, getting like individual lashes put on all the time. Just because I wear obviously eye makeup to work every day, it's going to fall down to lashes and it's just going to ruin them. So strips are the easiest way for me, and Tatti lashes honestly slay with lashes. They are so good. M&M Mitchell, I think that's how I discovered these. he uses them all the time and he is amazing at makeup, and I saw him use these, so I thought I'll grab myself a pair. And I've got some on now. So don't be like frightened if you're more of like a natural kind of girl. They do all different types of styles, all different prices as well, so have a look on Tatty Lashes website and have a little look for yourself. But honestly, trust me, they are a really good pair of eyelashes. I don't really wear blusher, but I love this blusher. This is a Charlotte Tilbury blusher. It's this one, and it is in Climax, the shade The Climax. It is a beautiful blush. I love looking bronzy, and that's what I love, is outer colour here. It's got a really nice peachy colour in the middle as well. I've got it on today. I don't really like, you know, full beam blushes. I'm not really all about that pinky in your face blush. I like more of a subtle blush, but this is beautiful. I feel like it blends really nice into my bronzer, into my contour, blends in seamlessly. The formula is amazing, and I love the fact that it's got that two-tone in the circle, so you get that really nice gradient effect as well. So, the second to last product that I'm absolutely obsessed with, which you probably saw in my first video as well, is the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Lip Liners. Charlotte Tilbury lip liners are the best lip liners I have ever used. I've used a lot of lip liners, and most of them that I've used are very dry, they're very crumbly, they're patchy, the pigment is just not as great as this one. So this colour that I'm obsessed with at the moment is Hot Gossip. It's one of her newer liners. She's come out with a whole like kind of new range recently, because my favourite lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury is Stone's Rose. I live for that colour, it's my favourite. And this is basically the lip liner version of the lipstick. I've got it on today, and I've just got literally a gloss on top, and I've literally put it all over my lips, gloss on top, boom. And honestly, when I eat, this does not come off. It might fade, but it's still got the base there, and it's so easy to just whack a gloss on top and you're like ready to go. But honestly, it is so good. Their lip lines are like £16, but I literally love them. So yeah, if you haven't tried a Charlotte Tilbury lip liner before, please go and get one if you can. If you can get your hands on one, honestly, go and get one. It is really good. They are all really good. They've got a whole range of colours as well. So last but not least is the All Nighter Setting Spray. I love this product because, especially if you've got a long day ahead of you, or you're going on a night out and you're in a sweaty room, you're partying, you're getting oily, honestly, pop this on, and this is like cement. Well, it's not really a good way to explain it, Charles, but it's like cement for your makeup. You pop this on, it's sealed, it's in place. And this has lasted me ages as well, literally a couple of sprays, boom, you're ready to go. It is really good. I never used to use a setting spray or a setting powder, and now I use them. I've noticed a whole lot of difference to my makeup, lasts so much longer, and it's also just really nice and refreshing for your makeup as well, just to put a setting spray on. If you're like getting a bit hot and flustered, whack a bit of setting spray on, you feel refreshed and ready to go. They do like loads of other ones as well. They do like an air pollution one, which is actually really good for like cabin crew. I can't remember what it is called, but I thought that was really good, especially for like if you're flying and your stuff and you're like your job like involves a lot of air conditioning, whatnot. It is really good, and obviously you want to protect your skin at the same time. So yeah, I can't find a better setting spray than this at the moment. So, but you guys like write in the comment box down below if you can like have got any other suggestions. But I literally live for this product. It is the best one that I have come across as well. So guys, that's me finished for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching and finding out what my current favourite beauty products are. Please let me down, lol, I can't speak today. So please let me know of any suggestions of what your favourite beauty products are, and let me know, because I am always on the hunt for a new product that I haven't tried yet. So let me know in the comment box down below. So yeah, please give me a thumbs up, please comment, subscribe, you can follow my makeup Instagram as well. I've got on my personal account, I'll leave it all down below. So yeah, please subscribe. Thank you all for watching today. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.